Hello everyone, and welcome to Zeo Route Planner tutorials. In this video, we'll learn how to create a route with linked pickups and deliveries in Zeo. Linked pickups and deliveries are useful when an order must be collected from one location and delivered to another. Zeo ensures that these stops stay connected and are always completed in the correct order. Let quote start by creating a route manually for a single driver. First, log in to your Zeo dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Routes and then select Create Route. Begin by entering the basic route details. Assign a driver to the route, add a route title, select the store location for the start and end addresses. Schedule the route for the required date. Set the start and end time. Once this is done, you can start adding stops. Stops can be added in two ways: manually by searching for the address using the Google search option, or by uploading a spreadsheet. To create linked pickups and deliveries, first add the pickup location. Enter the address and select the stop type as pickup. You can also add optional details such as delivery notes, invoice numbers, stop priority, customer information. Once done, click Save. After saving the pickup stop, you'll see a new option called Linked Delivery. Click on Linked Delivery to add the delivery locations connected to this pickup. Now, enter the delivery address and select the stop type as delivery. As with pickups, you can add any additional optional details if required. Click Link Delivery once the delivery stop is added. You can link one or multiple delivery stops to the same pickup. After all required stops are added and linked, click Save and Optimize Route. Zeo will automatically recognize the linked pickup and delivery stops and maintain the correct execution order. Next, let's look at how to create routes using a spreadsheet. When using a spreadsheet, it's important to structure it correctly so Zeo can identify and link stops accurately. Your spreadsheet must include the following columns: stop type, pickup may or may not be mentioned before delivery; address line, city, state, an optional detail; PIN code, also an optional detail; and group ID, the most important detail to link any pickup and delivery. The stop type defines whether a stop is a pickup or a delivery. The address line, along with city, should contain complete and accurate address details to ensure proper location mapping. The group ID is the most important column for linking stops. All pickup and delivery stops that belong to the same order must share the same group ID. For example, a pickup with group ID 1 and a delivery with the same group ID will be treated as a linked pair. Zeo uses this group ID to connect related stops, maintain the correct pickup to delivery sequence, and prevent deliveries from being completed before pickups. To create a route for a single driver using a spreadsheet, select Assign a Driver and select the store location, go to Create Route, and upload the spreadsheet in the same tab. You can upload sheet here in three ways in case you have multiple deliveries: from Browse File from System, Google Sheet, or URL, or make a manual entry. You may download a sample sheet from here or follow the sheet structure you just saw. Confirm that the selected row contains the column headers. Match and verify the column mapping. Review the entries carefully. Ensure that stop type and group ID are mapped correctly. Once verified, click Confirm Mapping. Then take a final review. Be very careful with the group ID column to not mess up your pickups and deliveries, and then Zeo will automatically recognize the linked pickup and delivery stops and maintain the correct execution order. Then click Submit. Zeo will automatically recognize the linked pickup and delivery stops and maintain the correct execution order. Click Save and Optimize Route. To create routes for multiple drivers, go to the Stops tab and upload the spreadsheet. Follow the same upload steps. Verify the header row. Match and confirm column mappings. Review entries. Ensure stop type and group ID are correctly assigned, and click Submit. Select stops you want to include from the list. Next, select stops and auto-optimize the stops. Cross-check stops and click Next Addresses and click Select Stops. Now, assign drivers to the routes as required. And click Assign Drivers. You will be directed to Route Details page. You can change store location, schedule route for a later date or time, and change title of the route. Click Save and optimize route. Zeo will automatically distribute stops according to the duration of driving time assigned to each one of them. Zeo will ensure that pickups are always completed before deliveries. Linked stops remain connected. Routes are optimized efficiently for each driver. And that's how you can easily create routes with linked deliveries and pickups in Zeo Route Planner, both manually and using spreadsheets. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.